Kids! Let's dive into the deep blue ocean. We will see sea animals: shark, dolphin, turtle, and whale. Splash, splash! Let's go! Look! This is a shark. A friendly blue shark. Can you say shark? Wow! This is a dolphin. It loves to swim and jump. Can you say dolphin? Look here. This is a sea turtle. It has a nice shell. Can you say turtle? And this is a whale, the biggest animal in the ocean. Can you say whale? Game time! Put on your goggles. Can you find the sea animals? Who is the friendly shark? Point to the shark. Yes, that is the shark. Ow! Where is the playful dolphin? Good job! That is the dolphin. Find the green turtle. Awesome! That is the turtle. And where is the big whale? You did it! You are a great swimmer! The ocean is amazing! Shark, dolphin, turtle, and whale! Thanks for swimming with BrightKids Academy! Bye-bye!